Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so let's add in another type of input. So I'm going to go color. In fact, I'm going to type in favorite color. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to go to input type, and this one, what do you think it's going to be if it's our favorite color? It's actually going to be called banana. No, I'm just kidding here. You just put it in color like that. And depending on where you are in the world, color is spelt without a U and just like this. Okay? So input type color, and I'm just going to give the name as color. Simply enough. Close off the brackets, put a break, and there we go. Now, let's go ahead and click on this. Well, this is, since I'm on a Mac, it's going to be this color swatch here. And my favorite is the crayon box. I don't know why, but you can actually go ahead and you can mess around with all of these colors here, and you can see this here. And if you're on a PC, it's going to be a little different, and if some of you are on Linux, it's going to be even different yet. But basically, it will pull up with a little dialog box for you to actually change the color. All right, I'll see you guys.